Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to send Ton on Tonkeeper. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up the Tonkeeper. So open up the app and log into your Tonkeeper account. So once you've logged into your Tonkeeper account here, so this is what I've logged into mine. So what you're going to do, you're going to open up your Toncoin option. So this shows the Toncoin, the Tons, your available Ton. I have zero availability, so that's why it's zero. So just ignore that. That's fine. So I'm going to send these to another Tonkeeper account. So I'm going to hit on this send option. Click on the send option and then type in the name or the address of where I'm going to send these to. So which Tonkeeper account I'm going to send these to. So type that in, hit on comment, and then click on continue, and then you'll be asked to choose the amount. Hit on select the amount and then hit on continue, and then just finish the transaction. In that way you'll be able to send it to another Tonkeeper account as long as you have the right account provided, recipient's account. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.